One peaceful morning, the kids were all having a great time taking a little walk. But then... What was that? It came from the top of the mountain. All right, guys, you know what this calls for. Ultimate Mouse Tower. Help me! I fell over! Whoa! You know what? I think we did it. Yay! I'm alive! Ezzy, on 3, I'm gonna throw you. What? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oof. Ugh. My head. Hey, you okay? Whoa, that was a strong gust of wind! Duh! 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 That strong gust of wind made me feel very tall, very dizzy. Oh my gosh, it's a cat! You don't seem very evil. Let's get you down. Later. It doesn't seem evil. I don't think he is evil. He's so cute. Meow, 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 meow. See, he ain't bad. He's just cute. Whatever decision you make, I will support. But I just want you to know I love you. I'm sorry, what? I said our parents told us not to bring mice. Bring cats. Sorry. I'm messing up my words. But just be careful. I will. Come on, guys, let's go home. You brought home a cat! Meow. I don't see what's wrong with it. You know what? This will be a good learning opportunity for you. Call me if you get ringworms, sweetheart. I think that went well. Morale. Meanwhile, Darwin, sweetheart, we're home. Darwin, where are you? We will fight, and we will get him back.
Uh-oh, I better go warn the others.
Now.
Still working on my landings. Everybody! The baby cat's parents are coming for him. They're gonna fight.
3. So you've heard about our plan. Soup, kitty, power! Oh my goodness. 3. To settle this, we will have a battle. Battle. What type of battle? My favorite kind. A rap battle!
That's what you can play.
Oh, that's it? Now.
On deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he might got a bill. He pop bottles and he got the right kind of bill. Excuse me, you're a guy. I mean, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy and I'm loving your talk. You're like sucker than the guy when the big one is high. Oh, yes I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I'm that Medusa, that Cooper, trust the you tell my heartbeat running away. Feeling like a drum and it's coming your way. Did you hear that? He got that super bass.
Man, I got a story to tell. This is a good one. I was just minding my business, jellyfishing. There was this bully, right? Didn't even seem like the bully type. Walked right up to me and told me, "You look like a cookie bite." I say you could be right, but me, I'm not the looking type. So I walked away and then he hit me with a cooking knife. He said, "Did I tell you you could walk away, Sponge?" I responded, "No," and then he hit me with a big punch all up in my face. And then I lost my patience. So I spun around and whipped out two of my ray guns. He said, "Oh no," and then he tried to run away. I said, "Oh no, little homie, you messed up my day." I got up to him and I punched him in the face. He said, then he hit me with some mace. It left a taste, but I absorbed it without a trace. Then I looked at him and said, "I'm about to put you in your place. You better say your grace." And I chopped him in the waist. These arms may be weak, but they gon' leave you in a brace. Don't mess with me while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing.
Winner, because she had a candy cane microphone. What? This is outrageous. But you win fair and square. However, I will not destroy your city, but I will be collecting my little boy. Come on, Darwin. Mother, father, I have to say, I like this girl, and I wish to stay with her for longer. Please, for your little boy. Fine, but only because you asked so nicely. Thank you, mother. Thank you, father. All right, now quit talking like that. Meow. And that's the story of how I got a cat. Thank you for telling me story, Grandmama.